Welcome boys to your computer class. Today we are going to start the work of computer. In earlier stages in the revision last week, we have revised the sum of parts of the computer. So let's review them quickly. There are different parts of the computer. The main basic parts of the four basic parts of the computer are CPU, that is called the brain of the computer. Then we have monitor, mouse and keyboard. To explain it further, we are going to watch a video in which Mr. Mouse is going to tell us about different parts of the computer.
Basic parts of a computer. Hi, today we are going to learn about basic parts of a computer. A computer is made of several parts like CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, and speakers. CPU is the most important part of a computer. It stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU is the brain of computer. It stores information. All the parts of a computer are connected to it. A monitor looks like a television screen. The monitor shows whatever you type or draw on a computer. Monitor is the face of a computer and it lets us watch movies on a computer. A keyboard has many buttons called keys, which allow us to write or type alphabets and numbers. A mouse has two or more buttons. It helps us to move the pointer from one place to another on a screen. A printer helps us to make a copy of whatever we see on the monitor. The printed document is called the printout. Speakers help us to listen to the songs and sounds played on the computer while watching movies.
So we are now going to discuss about input devices. What are input devices? First of all, I'm going to read the definition. Devices that help us to enter data into the computer are called input devices. Anything that we use to put inside data inside the computer are called input devices. Some of the examples of input devices are keyboard, mouse, because with the help of keyboard we can write, and with the help of mouse is a pointing device. You can input instructions on a computer. Then we have our joystick. When we want to play games with a lot of funds, it passes information to the computer to where it can move. Then we have microphone. A microphone can be attached to a computer. It allows you to input sounds into the computer like speech or songs. Then we have web camera. A web camera is used to take live photos and videos. You can save them in the computer. You can also use web camera for video streaming. Then we have a scanner. A scanner copies pictures and pages and turns them into images that can be saved on a computer. These are all input devices. So what are the examples of input devices? Keyboard, mouse. We have keyboard, mouse, Keyboard is used for writing the information inside the computer. Mouse is an pointing device. You can give instructions to a computer. Joysticks make computer games a lot more fun when it is moved. It passes information to the computer. Microphone. Microphone can be attached to the computer. It allows you to input sounds into the computer. Then we have web camera. Web camera is used to take live photos and videos. You can save the photos inside the computer. And we have scanner. Scanner copies pictures and pages and turns them into images that can be saved inside the computer. So these are the examples of input devices. That's all for today's lecture. Inshallah, in the next lesson, we are going to start with storage devices and output devices. Thank you all for watching the video. I hope you have liked it. Take care and have a nice day.